Thank you for joining me while I showcase Alendel's customer portal. We developed this powerful tool in assisting you in your business. Logging in is as simple as entering your email address and password. Let me show you how. Visit alendel.com, and on the top right hand side you'll see a login button. Be prompted into this screen. You enter your email address. For this tutorial, you enter in my email address, followed by the password. Hit login and we have entered our customer portal. Today I will be showcasing how to check stock on Alendel's customer portal. At Alendel, we understand the importance of knowing that you have the product in stock and ready to ship. That's why we developed this helpful tool in assisting you in your business. This report allows you to check stock in real time and is very versatile. To start, navigate to the left-hand side of the reports and find item availability. You'll then be prompted onto this screen with 4 fillable fields. You can enter the pattern, the color code, and the quantity. Not all 4 fields are necessary to check stock. I can show you by putting in pattern linen house, color winter white, and I'm going to search for 50 yards. You select update and the table below will appear. The table has 5 headers: the item code, the pattern code, the color, and availability. In this example, we have 50 yards of linen house winter white in stock. There are 3 possible outcomes when checking stock. It is either in stock, in transit to Alendel, or insufficient stock. If it is insufficient, please contact us for more details. So this tool provides the ability to check stock on a specific pattern and color, but it also allows you to check stock on all the colors of a specific pattern. As an example, I want to check for all the colors of linen house. So I will remove winter white, I will leave 50 yards, and I will hit update. So as you can see on the table, the colors have appeared. And here it says page 1 of 2, 40 records. This means that there are 40 colors of linen house, and the first page is showing half of that. So to show all of them, scroll down to the bottom where it says page size, select a larger quantity, and now you can see all the 40 colors of linen house on the table below. This versatile tool will allow us to sort and to filter. So to sort by color, simply go to the header, select the color, and it automatically will sort by the color name. If you want to filter, go to the ellipsis, and here it'll say in stock or in transit. So I want to look at only the items that are in stock. Another cool feature that we have is that we can export this. The options are Excel, PDF, rich text, and CSV. So you can export this to Excel, and it's available for download on the bottom, right over here. The sample does by pattern code, but the same applies if you're searching for a color name. Simply type in the color name here. In this example, I want to look for taupe. So I'll remove linen house. I'll type in taupe, and this time I want to check for 10 yards. I'll hit update, and you can see here all the different patterns that have the color name taupe in it appear on the grid. So you'll see a classic taupe, a Fairview taupe, and multiple other taupe options. Some are insufficient, some are in stock. So again, I want to sort by pattern, and I want to remove all the other items and just keep what we have in stock. So here this table shows us all the patterns in the color name taupe and what is in stock. We can export this if we would like to Excel, hit export, and another option appears on the bottom. So thank you for taking the time to review Alendel's customer portal check stock feature with me. Be sure to like, subscribe, and follow us on Facebook and Instagram. See you next time.